Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am IMZ Mentor. So today we're going to be doing project packaging design. So just create new for just a web again and just create. So today learning a new tool. I'll talk about that later. So first let's just create the packaging. So you can just create a rectangle, a simple one, just a rectangle, and just copy the side and make it smaller than on the side and make it smaller like that. And now you can just change the colors for this. I'll rather choose a reddish, like a really light red. And for these two, I'll choose the blue one. Okay, light blue. That's it. So that's done. So you can just select this and that's it. So now, the new tool we're going to be learning is this, the perspective grid tool. And I'll tell you what its uses and all that. And you can just add just a bit detail on this. Details, one detail. Over here, two, three, and just a simple one. You can also add your own logo, but I had just do this. That's it. So now select all of this, make it smaller, put it on the side, and copy the same thing and Control G this, group this one, and group this one too, and ungroup this one. Okay, so we're going to be using this one. So just click on this one. It came over here. So now we can just bring this downward like this, and there are some different tips you can move from here to this, and from here we can move and here. And I would like to say that sometimes you always open this tool and like you're stuck over here, how am I supposed to remove it? So just come over here and right click, and over here there's a tool, perspective selection tool. Click on this and click on this small arrow, and it's gonna be hide grid. I'm gonna click on it, it's gonna hide. Let's do that again, and it came back. And you can also click on these over here, three circles, and the outer edge. So just right now let's click on the left grid, and you can just take your this one and bring it on the side, on the other side, on this one. So now you can just select the perspective tool, selection tool, and it will give you like, so I give hit boxes over here. So you can put it here, and you can just scale this from here too, and you have to press shift over here also. So scale it and how much you ever you want. So that's done. Scale it. Now you can just click on the second one, and for this one you have to select click on the right side one. So you can put this on the right one, right side. So let's put on the right side. This one, we'll put this one on the right side and shift and scale it. Done. And you can select this one and click on the horizon one, and you can click on this one and add it. It's giving me some problem, but we just do it with this one. So click on this one and come here on this one and just select this. And now we can put it on top like this. And this time don't press shift, so we can correct it like this much. That's about packaging design done. And now you can just hide this, just on this, and hide it. That's it. That's how you create your packaging. And you can just put it on the side, and you don't need it anymore. Delete it. Delete all this. So that's how you done. And as you can see, it's tilted and all that. You can create it by your own, but it's gonna take some time. But this thing made it easier for us. We can also make buildings with this, and these two can be our windows and all that. But we don't really need to do that. So just select this, keep it here, alt here, and here. That's it. And you can just make it smaller as it goes downwards, smaller and smaller. That's it. And you can just select all of this, make it a bit bigger, and you can just add a background over here, backdrop like this, and like this. Just make it bigger, and now send it back and change the color to something like yellow, yellowish, light yellow. Okay, that's done. So you can also add some shadows over here. So Control 2, lock it, and add shadows. So effect, stylize, outer or inner glow, you can do whatever you like. So I'm gonna do it normal, and okay. This won't really look as you wanted it. Only select these two, and now do it. Effect, stylize, outer glow. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so the same thing. Effect, stylize, outer glow. Done. It's looking good. So you can also add your logos over here and all that. So that is a very small class, and you can make buildings with this. You can make your own product packaging design. And also, I'm going to tell you an easier trick so that you can make without making these boxes. You can do it in Photoshop a very easier way. So I'll tell you that in the next class. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Before I go, I would also like to tell you that but once you lock this layer, how to unlock it. So just click on Control Alt and 2, Control Alt 2, and it's gonna unlock it. Now I can move however I want. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.